Hi everyone and welcome to my latest video and something I'm really excited to share with you. It's arrived, my first Graphic 45 brand ambassador box. As you can see, I've had to come down onto the floor to get it in. I've even had to come down on my knees. So if you see my knees coming in, because this box is huge. So I thought I'd show you what I've had to work with and for you to see what might be coming up in some of my projects. So let's just dive straight in. So let's have a look at what we've got. So let's make sure you can still see. Let me tuck this under. Wow. So let's have a look what we've got inside here. Actually, let's move it to the side and then we can put them down on the side. So the first thing I've gone for is, now I haven't tried some of the pre-made albums. So I've got one of the travel albums with the notebooks inside. So I thought that might be a nice one to start on something a little bit different for me. So rather than get two black, I got one black and I've got one in craft. So I can have a little practice with one before actually making something with the other one. And I thought I'd treat myself to a die. And I've had my eye on this one for quite a while. It's the folio die, the folder and sentiment dies. So I'm planning, I've got an idea in my mind for this. Got to find out if it actually will work first. But it folds up. There's a score line in the middle to make like little folios to put into your albums. And a bunch of sentiments too. So we've got celebrate, congrats, love, together, hello, and happy birthday, and a heart and some small hearts. Oh, and some curly cues as well. So I'm excited to try that. So that's actually my second die because I've already got the regular tag die. So I thought I'd stock up on some tags. So I've got 3 packs of them because I think they're just going to go in quite a lot of different projects. So I've got some regular tags and I don't have to die, but I thought I'd try some of the larger tags as well. And I've got an idea of how to use the regular tag with the large ones. So we'll have a go, see if that will actually work. I've got 3 more of those. So I think I've got enough tags to last me a while. Now, unfortunately, the Make a Splash papers were already sold out. So I didn't manage to get some. But luckily, I've already got one, which I pre-ordered beforehand. So I've got some of the ephemera to go with it. So can't wait to have a look at all the little bits. I can't even see the little bits. They're all behind this large image here. So I've got some ephemera, so let's expect to see something with that. I've gone for some ribbon as well. I thought I needed something to go with the tags. So I just went for the ivory and natural linen trim because I thought it would just go with most of the collections. And I think that's pretty much for all the other stuff. Let's get on to which collections I've gone for. So the first one I've gone for is Wild and Free. I've already got some of this. This is one of the older collections. So I thought I'd add the 8x8 to my stash. And I haven't been able to get a hold of the journal cards before. So I thought I'd have a go with it. And I've got some of the patterns and solids for this already. So that's just to bulk out what I've already got. And this one It's been on my wish list for quite a while. It's Mother Goose. So I've seen loads of lovely albums online using this. Again, it's one of the old ones, so I can actually just have a little flick through. So I'll grab my scissors and I'll open up like that. And yeah, these colours are as bright as I thought they would be. Oh, I love that checker. And all the nursery rhymes. Gonna So we've got another goose project to come up. Now, I did use my 8x8 Come One, Come All for my International Scrapbooking Day album. So if you've already seen that, I've bought another pad, so expect to see something else made with these papers as well. And this is an exciting one. This is one of the new releases. So we've got PS I Love You. I wish the journal, they still made the journal cards, but I think for now, let's have a look. So seeing as this is one of the new ones, it's got some nice stripes. Oh, let's start on this side. So I think that's the signature page. I love the black and white of this with just the hints of green coming through from the leaves as well. And well, I recently just got married, so I can see myself making something wedding related with this. Lovely florals. The love theme is definitely prominent in this. Some of the images. So, oh, look at that. Black and gold. So that is the PS I Love You. So I went for the 8x8. I'll put it back in the package afterwards. And because there's no journal cards or anything with it, I've gone for the ephemera pack as well. It's got all these bits to play with. Now, I've got to say, I've used ephemera once before on my tag book which I made, which is one of the Cal Summers projects. And I used the Wild and Free papers, and I used ephemera on all the tags. So I'm looking forward to having a little bit more practice with them. And we've also got the same then, but in 12x12. So I've got quite a bit of the PS I Love You. As I said, the Maker Splash was already sold out. I think everybody loved it so much. It was already gone. So I've gone for the PS I Love You. And this is one of the ones I've gone for pretty much everything that I like. So it's the little things. So I've gone for the 8x8. My journal cards. I've got the 12x12 and the patterns and solids. So I went for this because I think the bright colours really jumped out. I'm not usually into the fairies and things, but these ones are pretty cute. So yeah, so I don't know what I'm going to make with it, but I just can't wait to use the colours. But speaking of colours, the one I'm really looking forward to trying is the Life's a Bowl of Cherries. Now this has been on my wish list for ages, so I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for this. So I've got to have a look at what the colours are like. So the signature page, just look at the images on this one. And it was the blues I was looking at. Ooh. So that's the darker of the blues. Okay, these are even nicer in person than what I've seen in videos of made with these. This is the one I've been looking for, this blue. I love that aqua or turquoise, what do you call it? And the two blues together, it's just lovely. And I do like the sort of 50s style recipe booky type images here. Let's have a quick flick through. So yeah, I'm really excited for this one. Ooh, what else have we got? And the borders and journal cards one. So finally got my hands on Life's a Bowl of Cherries. So I've got the 8x8. Again, the 12x12. And the patterns and solids as well, just because I loved how just these colours just pop. So I'm excited to use that one. And I saw this in the deluxe collection part of the shop, and I had to go for this because Voyage Beneath the Sea was actually the first ever Graphic 45 papers I bought. And so it's the first collection I ever used. And I made the most simple album with it. And I was really pleased with it. The colours and everything. I think it's where my fondness for Graphic 45 began. So when I saw that this was still available in the collector's edition, I thought, I got to get this one. So this is the collector's edition, which means we don't get 2 sheets of each paper in the 12x12, but we get 3. So there's 3 of each of the 8 double-sided papers, plus the stickers and the chipboard. I didn't realise the chipboard was in it as well. Ah yeah, so yep, that's the chipboard. 2 sheets of stickers and yeah, 3 of each of the 8. So that's 8, 16, 24 sheets of paper. So definitely one for a bigger project there. So yeah, I can't wait to, because the one I originally used was one of the 8x8 pads. So I haven't tried it with a 12x12. Let's just hope it's not too overpowering and I'm like, whoa, what do I do with this? So yeah, so Voyage Beneath the Sea, it's where my love for Graphic 45 began. And so I thought it was only fitting that I get it in my first haul from Graphic 45. And I think this is the last thing. Yep. A bit boring to look at, but it's the black chipboard sheets. So I can't wait to cut into this. I'm hoping that I'll be able to use this to cut down on my taping up. Because I like to use the black tape for my project to do my covers. So I thought, ooh, let's have a go with that. So I've got some medium weight black chipboard. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 6 12x12s to go through. I've got 1, and keep the wrap for me to place back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 6 8x8s because you've often seen a lot of my projects just use like I go for just 1 8x8 pad. A couple of my favourite things, the journal cards. Couple of ephemera packs, some new fun dies. Can't wait to open. Actually, come on, let's have a little open. Let's have a look inside. You see, I've just been dying to open these. Let's have a look inside it. It's well packaged. Let's have a look. Oh, so I'm actually feeling feels really nice. And that's proper crafting now, just feeling the cardboard, isn't it? Oh, it's got an elastic. And it's got a plain notelet. Oh, I didn't realise I had the pocket built in. I thought people were adding those. So we've got some pockets, some more pages to decorate, another pocket. Also got a plain book, some lined book, and some graph paper. So I can't wait to have a go at one of those. Let's have a look at the ribbons. So we've got that satiny one, the V-shaped one, and some grosgrain as well. So that's going to look fantastic. And yes, expect to see lots and lots of tags moving forward in my albums. I hope you enjoyed having a look at what I've had. And yeah, I can't wait to get started. I still can't believe I've made it as a brand ambassador, but feeling a little bit of the pressure now, but really, really excited and have some ideas in my head and can't wait to start sharing some of the projects with you. So thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so that you can find out about some of my projects once they're ready to go, and so you can see what I make with all this amazing stash. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again soon.